Oh, what is this? What is this? Flowers? The Gorilla Tag plushie? I need it. I need it right now. I don't have the money though. Now Rhodes is a festival to celebrate the coming of spring. Enjoy the warm weather with brightly colored nature-inspired rose as the forest wakes from its hibernation. The makeshift monkey plush. Okay, I know what this is. 7 more days till campaign closes. Let's check it out. Whoa. Babies? Yo, Doug has babies now.
Did you get in trouble?
Doug has babies now.
What type of voice changer on?
Did you get in trouble, Red?
Hey, on what? Dude, he's right, he's
I'm
right.
Ali, by the way. I can sing for you, but I don't know if I should.
Yes. Yes. These are not. These are not. Yes, I got a bracelet.
Eee. Goldfish? Can I hold him? Can I hold him?
Bro, I just want a bracelet.
Wait, I gotta take Peach. I gotta take Peach. I gotta take Peach.
Yeah, this is a good
Gotta
method.
take
So
Peach.
this is a good method to
This
open
here,
up, so-
the goldfish,
One on both.
the goldfish over here, definitely belongs to Beach.
There ain't no red monkey. The beach. There ain't no good t-shirt.
Guys, I'm the.
It's okay with me. With your ankle. Please. Whoa, I just checked out beach and this is sick.
I gotta see if there's goldfish in there. No goldfish.
Where is everybody? Is it just us?
No.
Way, bro. Oh no.
Yo, there's lots of eggs here. I
Who's here? Oh, blue.
isn't it supposed to be an Easter event?
With your uncle.
And
I'm your uncle.
isn't it supposed to be an Easter event? Spring plus
Yeah. It's supposed to be a spring Easter event. I know. Oh, dang it. I better
But what happened to
No.
Jesus? What happened to Jesus?
I don't know.
I mean, you should add a Jesus cosmetic. It'd be funny. Oh, no, that's the maps showcase now. Ooh, what's this? Bunny, bees.
Nobody cares. It's not purple. You
Let's check out the cosmetics. What? No Wi-Fi, seriously? Alright. What the? Dude, we're getting from monkeys to tigers. What's next, bro? Oh. Too tiny. Ooh. Very nice. Very nice. We got, is it a tutu or skirt? I don't know. Another fur costume for this. Okay. Free badge. Monkey, wait, bee balloon? Be a balloon. Let's see what's that was. Isn't it supposed to be a spring cosmetic? Can't afford it. Actually, I made a mistake. Actually, I need to go. Okay. Over 100 shiny rocks. Beekeeper. This reminds me of Bee Swarm Simulator. If you had a childhood of Roblox. Aww. Look at them. Wait a minute, where's Doug's girlfriend? What? Where? Someone tell me where. I swear to God, the whole forest is gonna be infested with one of these. Wait a minute, what about Matt? Let's check out if Matt has children. Oh, Matt! Where are you? He's up there. He's near. You did not make children.
Nah, bro. That old cave waves brings me back memories from the freaking old caves.
Hey, do you know what would be cool?
Yes, let's go.
You know what would be cool?
The sunscreen.
Do you know what would be cool? If they bring back mines. It would be cool if they bring back mines. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Happy Easter and stuff like that.